Hey guys, in this video, we list 3 short tips on how to manage email subscription and declutter your inbox for efficiency. The first is to create task-specific email addresses. To keep your email address organized, you need to be more selective about which emails you actually receive. For example, you can also keep a work or professional email address as well. This way, when you get junk email at your shopping address, it doesn't clutter your inbox with personal emails. The second tip is to use auto-filters for your newsletters. Using Gmail or other similar email service providers, you can create a filter to manage the way your incoming messages are sorted and labeled. This will help to keep your inbox less crowded. You can also filter messages by who sent them and the keywords that appear in the subject or body of the message. The last tip is to regularly reassess the value of the subscription. What's the last email newsletter you subscribed to? If it is more than a month ago, chances are good that you are already starting to lose interest in the content. You can unsubscribe from the newsletter that you are not interacting with. And that's it! If you are looking for more videos on email marketing using WordPress, then be sure to check out our YouTube channel for Wemail as well as the official website at getwemail.io.